play, live, repeat. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. Wherever you're watching, just please like, share, follow, comment what's your favorite. Let's get started. This is my coverage from New York Toy Fair 2020 in the Jakks Pacific booth. This booth is chock full of goodness, so let's just get started. We're gonna dive right in to my favorite, Mario. I love Super Mario. Nintendo is celebrating its 35th anniversary this year. This line is perfect for this anniversary. So coming later this year, there's going to be new interactive playsets and dioramas for the ultimate in pretend play. 2.5-inch and 4-inch figures, and the first ever Mario with his real voice. Guys, this is the coolest doll ever. It's called It's-A-Me Mario. He has over 20 plus sounds and phrases.
So he's called It's-A-Me Mario. He's got 13 points of articulation. You can pose him around. He has 5 different activation points to unlock different sounds. What you hear there is the voice of Mario. This is the first time his voice has actually been in a toy.
Oh, really?
So we've had sounds, we've had music, but nobody has had his voice in a toy before. As I go through the motions, different things unlock. And also he's got a jumping effect. There's an accelerometer here, so if I do this, you get the bouncing effect to him too. And then there are 5 different poses that he has. When you put him in the pose up here and you hit this, it's going to unlock 5 different musicals. Music from the game. So we've got Star Power song.
Wow.
And Mario Dance.
Love that.
Really excited about this. It's a $49.99 price point.
That's not bad. He's got so many touch points.
Touch points. He's got his fabric suit here as well. So a lot of
Any Luigi love coming? Nothing love? No
so
love for
Luigi's probably maybe a year or 2 thing. We're thinking about that for the future. But
okay. How cool is that Mario doll? Like, honestly, I have to get one for like my whole family. It is so awesome. I love it. You just see those touch points? This was such a great day. This is the perfect way to celebrate Nintendo's 35th anniversary because this whole line just rocks. The ultimate gift, though, is that deluxe Boom Mansion. It really has trapdoors, just like in the game. I love this set so much. You're going to be able to get it exclusively at Target this fall. The rest of the line will be available also this fall as well. Moving on to Sonic. Sonic is having a big year. From 2019 to 2020, he's been in a video game with Mario for Tokyo 2020. He has a movie. Sonic is reviving. So Sonic fans are going to love the latest addition to the Sonic the Hedgehog line, featuring 2.5-inch figures and posable 4-inch figures. My favorite from the line is the Green Hill Zone playset. Just like the original game, you could bounce Sonic off of the bumper and he could run the loop. For fans who like to collect plush, new Sonic plush are available in 7-inch and jumbo size for all of your cuddling needs. Let's move on to this sensation. Fans of the New York Times best-selling book and Netflix show, Last Kids on Earth, are going to love this new toy line coming out by Jakks this fall. This show is about a group of kids fighting monsters. 13-year-old Jack Sullivan and his best friends Quint, June, and Dirk. Jakks took so many elements of this show and created a fun world of play, with monster packs featuring a lovable pet Rover to the Big Mama vehicle that they use to get around in. This is going to be an epic way to play and recreate fun scenes from the show and book. There's also an epic treehouse with a zip line. Finally, I have to say it like this. Creepy crawlers. That's right. Creepy crawlers are back. Jakks Pacific is bringing this back. It is going to be awesome. Don't ask me how I missed this in their booth, because I did, But I'm still going to report on it because it's so awesome. I want to thank my friend Dream Team Toy Adventures for giving me a photo from her coverage. Really do appreciate it. So let's just take a closer look. I wanted these sets when I was a kid. You're going to make slimy bugs, and you can make alien bugs with the alien bug maker. You can create 8 different bugs, and then you can regrind them back down to create more. You could also get the refill kit to create a bug army. Then you could pair the alien bug maker with the SWAT crusher vehicle to take down the alien bugs and crush them, regrind them again, and have more fun. How cool is this? Like, Jax, you are awesome. Stay tuned for more coverage of Toy Fair New York's Jax Pacific booth. This booth, I was in here for a little over an hour, so I have so much coverage to show you, from Disney to new Kitten Cafe, this awesome new toy called iClops coming out this fall. You guys are going to love it. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, do what you do best, and please share the love with your friends if you love toys like me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.